Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies with 3 ingredients. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and lining a baking sheet with parchment. Combine 2 mashed ripe bananas, 1 cup peanut butter, and 1 cup oats in a bowl until a sticky dough forms. Scoop tablespoon-sized portions and flatten slightly on the sheet. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until edges set, then cool briefly before serving warm. Keep dough texture balanced by adjusting oats and peanut butter to reach a scoopable consistency. Add a splash of milk if too dry. For sweeter cookies, fold in chocolate chips or a drizzle of honey before baking. Use a cookie scoop for even sizes and bake on the middle rack for consistent heat. Rotate sheet halfway if your oven runs hot. Let cookies cool on the sheet for a few minutes to set. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during baking sessions and fits cup holders for errands. Subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. This bottle has a leak-proof spout and a wide mouth for ice, which makes measuring cold ingredients and staying refreshed easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy this tip, grab one to test at home. Now let's get back to the video. Swap peanut butter for almond or sunflower seed butter to accommodate allergies and keep protein content. Use quick oats for a tender texture or pulse rolled oats briefly for a chewier bite. Add cinnamon, vanilla extract, or a pinch of salt to enhance flavor without extra sugar. For larger batches, double the recipe and spread dough into a 9x 9-inch pan for cookie bars that bake evenly and slice easily for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.